I don't need to record it all, I guess. Well, hello world, we're back. We are back at the Limeport Stadium, Limeport, Quakertown, whatever you want to call it. Coopersburg. I was here yesterday. I cut this out. I believe it's all loose, but I cut that out on Thursday the 10th. That channel has to come out. All structural damage. This channel has to come out. All from water and snow laying in it. And the last people that came down here tried to do them a favor, did nothing but screw them. So I have to cut all this out. This section has to come out. So that's 20 feet of plate, 40 feet of plate. $50 feet of plate and 60 feet of plate. I wonder why certain ones rotted more than the others. That's where we're at. Nice old stadium. They're getting new seats. They got some new steel. They got some new paint for the floors. They got a whole bunch of stuff donated to them. I'm sorry, me personally, I cannot buy steel, donate it, and do this for free. It just doesn't work in my book. I don't have that kind of lifestyle. So in other words, I'm not rich, I'm not poor, and I don't make a ton of money off this stuff. So here we go. I don't know if I should leave you on the watch, or if I should just take some pictures as I go. But that's where we're at. Here's my coffee cup and my gloves. Let's try fucking Wawa coffee. I guess that fucking sleeve came out. We'll get back to you with more info later. Hello, we're back again. We just came back again to document that this is level 6. And I told them I wanted to start at the top and work my way down. They wanted to replace level 8 too. 10 feet of it and 10 feet of this. But this is level 6. And I do believe all of level 6 should be replaced because it's bad there. My shadow is blocking the camera. Sun shining in here real nice. It's bad there. I have no idea what's under that metal strip, and I have no idea how bad the channel is. But the channel is definitely rotting away, I would think. When I get it all out, we'll see how bad it is, but yeah, more work needs to be done. And I just wanted to document that to cover myself. Okay, back to work. Maybe I'll leave you on for a little bit. Maybe we can stand you here and thinking you could watch Marky work. Okay, We'll leave you there for a little bit while I cut some of this out. Don't work without your safety glasses. Airco. Don't make them anymore. Sometimes you get lucky to find one. Answer. Hey, Andy. Hey, that stuff you put outside the wall, junk. All right. Nope, I want it. Are you there yet? Did I lose you? What? I usually lose the phone calls under here. No, I wanted to take the steel plates and throw them over the side instead of having them carry them all the way around, but... Well, I guess it'd be a help. I'm not going to take them today. I think I'm going to cut everything out. What if I can get the stuff carried out? I'm going to put it over by the fence, and then maybe me and Vicky will come down on Sunday and load it in the other truck. Oh, and the other thing is, well, you know what? This whole place needs to get together, and we all need to have a meeting so everybody's on the same page. But I think you should replace all of 6. I mean, well, I took my hammer and I poked another hole in it, and I don't know what this metal strip or whatever is against in between the plate and the channel. I don't know. And actually looks, if you sit here on it and you look at this channel is bowing in. I don't know if it's bowed, but it's leaning in and it's leaning out on the top on an angle. Yeah. If you look hard enough, the whole place needs a ton of work. But I'm just saying, when I started on number 6 because this is worse than 8. You know what I mean? I'm trying. First off, my wife said I got to look out for myself as a business, period. And then second off, I got to look out for you guys. So I'm just giving you my opinion. And I don't know what's, yeah, I know. But why? I don't know why. I've been trying to get a hold of George, but he don't answer me and he don't talk to me no more. Oh, well, I don't know. Oh. Man, but I wanted him to come down and document some of this. I've been documenting it on my camera. And this way he could take pictures back and he can go back to what's his name representative and say, hey, look, we found more damage in the stadium. Can you give us more money for this? So it's your call. I'll cut this out. I'll go back down to number 4 and do that one. And I'll wait for you to come down. And whenever you get here, we can decide between number 8 and number 6, you know, and go from there. Yeah, I did. And it did. Well, whatever you guys decide. But I want to keep on trying to work here. I got down here later than I wanted to. I didn't get down here till 8 o'clock or something. I gotta start getting my ass out of bed earlier. Okay. Alright, I don't know. You said you had to come down to do other stuff, so whenever you get here. Alright. Yeah. Well, that was Andy. That was Andy, the guy that's supposedly in charge of the repair work. And he's thinking just cut it out and replace it all. I was going to put the air compressor on the truck and bring my plasma cutter. I'm beginning to think I should have. I got a good old style 1000. Thermal arc, not thermal arc. Hypertherm 1000, an older one. Not what I expected it to be. Then I never hooked it up to 3-phase either. Oh. Saving battery life and camera time, I guess. I don't know. I think I only got 2 hours of recording left, and I don't think I brought any other cards with me. So you get the idea of what I'm going through down here. And we'll turn you back on for some updates later when I come down to do this half. Thank you. Have a nice day.